What's up guys, so in today's video we're going to learn how we can add two-step verification to our Gmail account. So two-step verification is actually just like an extra security layer to your Gmail account. So even if someone got access to your password and the person tries logging in, you can the two-step verification is actually like a layer which will secure your Gmail account. So just the password isn't enough for someone to log into your account. So for us to add a two-step verification to our Gmail account, first you have to go over to your menu section, and from your menu section you have to go over to Gmail, which we have here. So when you click on Gmail, it will bring us to our primary or to our inbox, and then you just have to click on the profile icon. So after clicking on the profile icon, you have to go over to manage your Google account. So you click on manage your Google account, and then you need to scroll down to security and sign in. So you click on security and sign in, and from there you scroll down and you look for two-step verification. So as you can see, we have that here. So you just click on two-step verification. You see it's currently off. So when you click on it, you'll be you'll be asked to verify that it's you. So I'm just going to use my fingerprint right now to verify my biometrics, and okay, so it's loading. Okay, so it will bring us over here, but if we click on turn on two-step verification, it says that your existing passkey doesn't sync across your devices. To turn on two-step verification and add another one, or add another second step like a phone number. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a phone number to this Gmail account. So I'll just click on this add a phone number. So I'm gonna put a phone number right here now. Okay, said I should confirm if that's my phone number. So I'm just gonna click save, adding number. So my phone number has been added successfully. So now I'm given the option to turn on two-step verification. So I'll just click on turn on, and turn on two-step verification. Okay, okay, so I just clicked on it now. So at the first, when I tried it earlier, it told me it was giving same error. Probably it was still trying to sync with my device to validate it. And now I just clicked it, and you can see it says you're now protected with two-step verification. So that's good news, and it's actually very good news. So now if someone has access to my password, the person actually can't be able to get full access to my Gmail account unless they get to know to verify with my phone number, or with my phone number as well. So this two-step verification is very, very important. I want to believe this video was actually helpful to you all. So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe, and if you want to be notified about more content I create later, you can just hit on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.